Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do this kind of like intergalactic full-on glitter cut crease all up in your face. I'm about to find me a space sugar daddy look. I definitely got inspo from my girl Viva Glam J on Instagram. So bomb, she's so talented. I'll definitely put her page right here and then also link her Instagram profile in my description box, so make sure you check that out. And if you want to see how I recreated this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off just priming my eyes and then using tape to create a sharp, precise line. Taking this dome brush and this blue shade and I'm just popping that on in my crease. Towards the end I'm just winging that out. And then taking my Morphe M562 brush and I'm just blending that product out. Going back in with that dome brush and I'm applying that same shade, adding more definition. And now taking this flat brush and taking this darker blue shade, I'm adding more definition to my crease. And then I'm going back in with my M562 and blending that out. Now taking a clean M562 brush and taking this lilac shade and applying this over top on my crease to create a gradient effect. Taking a Morphe M507 brush and just blending that out. And with this look, I keep repeating the same steps over again, so I'm adding more color and then going back in with my blending brushes and blending all that work out. I just want to make sure that I get the color payoff that I want and everything is blended nicely. And now taking my M562 brush and this lilac and magenta shade, I'm just applying that to where my wing would naturally be. Going in to cut my crease, I'm just skipping my inner corner and going along my crease, and I'm taking these small detailer brushes to do that. Going along my crease and then towards the end, I'm just winging that tail out. And now taking this dome brush and these two shades, I'm going to go ahead and pop that in my inner corner and blending that out with the previous brush that we used. And now to create more definition, mixing the blue shade and the lilac shade to create this gradient effect. And then I'm just going to keep going in there with product and gradually blending that out to make sure I get the color payoff that I want. Again, with this look, just please take your time. And now taking this Makeup Revolution baked highlighter and this flat definer brush, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my lid space to set. And now taking this lip brush, I'm just using this to get really precise underneath the cut crease. I decided to go back in with my dome brush and taking the same shades that we previously used in my inner corner to add more definition and then blending that out. And now going in with my glitter primer, I'm just laying that down first and then going back in with my glitter and applying that in my outer wing space. Just go ahead and take your time, make sure that you're laying down the glitter primer first before applying the glitter, and just start off with small section. And now for this part, I decided I wanted some blue peeking out of that glitter, so I'm just taking these two blue shades and applying them ever so slightly with my dome brush. And then taking the M562 and just blending that out. And just taking that Makeup Revolution highlighter and applying that over top. Now that we got the color that we wanted, I'm just applying more glitter and adding more definition in my inner corner. Moving on over to my lower lash line, just taking this flat definer brush. I'm just taking that blue shade, popping that on and then blending that out. Moving on over to the lilac shade, doing the same steps and then blending that out. And now for my waterline, I'm taking these two blue shades and popping that on with my flat definer brush. So I just finished doing my face makeup. I put on eyelashes as well, and I lined my lips with the MORPHE SPIFFY lip liner. That's all I have on my lips right now. For lipstick, I'm gonna do this GERARD Cosmetic liquid lipstick. It's a HYDRAMATEE in Skinny Dip. For highlight, I'm gonna take the KATVOND ALCHEMIST palette, taking the pink opal shade. It's pulling off pink, which is going with our theme here. We're looking like a galactic motherfucking snack. Like we're about to get abducted because of how bomb we look. Oh crap. I'm gonna find me a sugar daddy in space. I'm so stupid. Obsessed. And then I like to go back in with the sponge that I used for my foundation, and I'm just going to press that on so I can blend the highlight so it doesn't look so crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and add glitter in my inner corner, so I'm just taking the glitter glue. That looks fucking cute. And then the last thing is setting my face. So I'm taking the BADESCU spray. This is in Cucumber Green Tea. And to set that, I'm taking my GERARD Cosmetics All Day Setting Spray, and this is in Cucumber. And I'm covering my eyes just because this one's a little bit thicker in consistency, so just so my eyeshadow doesn't get messed up. Oh my god, that thing smells so good. I just want to eat it. This is the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you turn those post notifications on so you can definitely get notified when I upload, because I am going to be uploading so much more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye. And also what? My bitch. I'm just freaking obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. I don't even know what else to say. Like, that's it, we're done. Like, I don't know, I'm just living my best life here. I'm living like I need to go to space. That's where we need to go. Like, take me on a spaceship. I'm just so excited and I'm so bored, girl. What's wrong? I've been recording my freaking intro forever. Do you guys want to know something funny? So before, I used to be scared to film makeup tutorials, especially like if I was trying out a new look. I would be scared to mess up and then for that footage to be like trash. I was just scared of trying, and as of lately, I don't know, it's been like the past few months where I'm just like, okay, like I'm gonna just do it. Like, I'm just gonna try. If I mess up, so what? At least I learned. And you never know, it could come out good. It could be a bomb ass video. And like, look at where we are today. Like, I didn't know where we were gonna go with this look. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to recreate it and get the vision that I actually wanted and get the colors that I wanted, but like now I'm here. So this is your daily reminder to get up off your ass and just go do it. Go do whatever makes you happy. Go follow your dreams. Go just do it. Just do it! You might be scared. I know you're scared of failure, but you're already failing if you're not trying. You got this. I believe in you. Whatever it is you want to go do, just go do it. Whatever makes you happy, follow your heart, follow your dreams, follow your desires, follow your goals. Make a list, make it happen. Achieve it, accomplish it, try it, do it. Whatever makes you happy, just go for it. That's what 2019 is gonna be all about. Just go for it. So if you needed a reminder, or if you needed somebody that is supporting you, supporting your goals, that's me. I'm here to tell you I support you, I believe in you, and I know that you could do it. And you should believe in yourself too, because you got this. We're alive. I mean, come on now.